Hi friends, welcome to Cute Little Ideas. Today we'll be making beautiful water lamps. Once your acrylic paint is over, don't throw away the bottles. We can reuse them in an amazing way. Here we go. Wash the bottles and keep them ready. Take a plastic sheet, a slightly thicker one, and cut small circular pieces from it. Make a hole at the center. Soak a small piece of wick in oil and insert it into the hole. Make 5 such pieces and keep aside. Drop several beads or sequences or pebbles into the bottle. Fill 80% of the bottle with water. Add a spoon of oil on top and gently place the plastic sheet with the wick on the surface. Ta-da! The water lamp is ready! Using the same technique, we are going to make few more lamps. For the next lamp, let's add some color to the water. For this, you can use anything available. A pinch of food color, a drop of ink, a little bit of turmeric powder, a drop of paint, anything will do. Here I'm using pom-poms. The materials you're going to drop inside totally depend on your creativity and availability. After the celebration, you can very well drain the water, dry the materials a little bit and use them again. Tomorrow, I'll drain and dry these pom-poms and show you once they are dry. See, they are just as they were before. Look, these chumkies are so attractive. Now we are going to use rubber bands to give a different multicolored look. Oh, you don't have any empty paint bottle at home? Don't worry at all, you can do this with any glass bowl at home. Let's try that too. Same procedure, but you need to cut the plastic sheet a little bigger. it's time to light our lamps. These lamps make the atmosphere so divine. And here's a tip. You can add few drops of perfume or essential oil to the water to make it fragrant. Friends, it's very easy and simple. Do definitely give it a try and make your festivals and parties very special. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch many more cute little ideas. Thanks for watching.